Hello to all my friends out there. Well, I'm getting ready to go to my son's house, and I made a tasty lemon meringue pie with the lemons he grew on his trees, and I made some tasty fruit cups. So this is a lot of juice out of 3 tangerines, and I wanted to show you guys. I just put the seeds in the window and dry them, and then I'll put them in baggies. I think the prudent thing to do would be to save the seeds out of your food. And they're saying, you know, the seeds won't sprout. Well, why do the seed companies want to stop the farmers from planting seed crops? And then I have a bag of candy bars. I don't have too many, but I do have some candy in the freezer too, in case, you know, one of the things they're saying, like they warn us, they're saying prepare for chocolate and coffee. So you can still get coffee. Let me give you the recipe. I'll try to give you both pages. These are 2 good recipes, so you can take a screenshot. I used to have the lemon meringue pie recipe on the back of the cornstarch box, but you know, I bought like great value cornstarch, so I had to find another one. Let me show you the recipe book. The idea was to sell this, but then, you know, I kind of like it myself. So, you know, it had a lot of good recipes. So I baked the pie crust at 375, and then when I was baking it, I covered the crust because it was a pre-packed, you know, a pre-cooked pie crust. So anyway, now I'm getting ready to go over to my son's house. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.